So nalobat ko mo. So padayon ta. So sa 8, so nagamit tag having count, EID greater than 3. So kita na to, linear algebra is na 3 credits. Total enrollment is 2. Algorithm is 4 credits. Total enrollment is 2. Database system is 2 credits. Total enrollment is 2. Okay, so let's move on to 9. 9 is find and display the name of all students who have received of the grade A in more than one class section. Okay. Find and display the name of all students. So select S that name from students S. So ito question. So grade nga A. Na si grade. Si grade kay naa sa so yan ako sa refresh ang akong ERD. So only enrollment lang. Okay, so we're gonna use the enrollment joint enrollment is 2 student as enrollment is so nag-join na ta sa enrollment on s.sid equal e.studid. Okay, so situation, then grade grade is in the enrollment, so a.grade atong select e.grade from student join where, so mag-where ta diri grade is equal to A. Find the name of students who receive more than one class section. So in more than one class section, so si Diana Lee ni di enrollment check ko ni Diana Lee S13 S So si Diana Lee atong panani dapat mulubwa for grade and saan man select S name grade. So in more than one class section. So since si Diana Lee may nagkuhan din and okay, so i-count na to A grade. So having S count S that name is greater than 1. Tayo lang ito magana. So group by error man siya, mag-group by sa tag S that name E that grade. Okay, so na itong result. Ang result is si Diana Lee. So ang question man kay ang student nga ang grade niya kay A from 2 sections or 2 departments or 2 courses. So atong kano ito gi-join ang enrollment ng student. Atong condition or grade is equal to A. Ang resulta dito is Diana Lee nag-duplicate si Diana Lee. So pasabot ato duha. So siya tong pangita sa question nga A sa duha ka subject. So ato siyang i-group by A S name and A grade because magamit man ta og aggregate function account sa paghaman sa group by. So mag-use tag having because i-count na to ang S name kung nag-duplicate ba. So S name atong condition dili kay S name having count S name is greater than 1. So katurong si Diana Lee kay si Diana Lee may nag-duplicate or greater than 1 siya ray mo resultan. So 0 to 10 for each department. So department is from where? Professor. Okay, professor. So professor P that you calculate the average units of the courses taught by professor in that department. So P dep P name P dep P name and count average. So average unit C that credits as total average credit or average unit, I guess. So we connect the professor to teaching to course. So teaching to course. Yan. We use group by because nagamit ang average. P dot depth P depth P name. Let's see. Okay, so the result are here. Computer science, Dr. Smith is average unit is 2.5. Mathematics, Dr. Jones average unit is 3. Computer science, Dr. Chen average unit is 4. Display result, professor name, completed units under department. Okay, so check na ni. Basin. Let's go to 11. List the name of all professors. So, professors na naman. Ang professors department na naman. Name. Not yet. So, include the professor who have not yet. So we can use the left join for this. Left join the unique courses. So another teaching and ka na naman. Rename left join the name of all professors and the total number of unique courses they have taught. Include the professors who have not yet. Total number of unique courses. So yung unique, yung total. So count, distinct. See the title as total courses, and we're gonna group by p that name, since or may ipangita name. This number of unique courses they have. Yun. So we see here Dr. Chen 1, Dr. Jones 1, Dr. Kim 0. So wala pa nagtulo si Dr. Kim. Dr. Smith is 2. Kaya na. So number 12, using the right join. So we're gonna select the student's name. So select S that name from student as right join using the student name, student enrollment, student name and major for receive name and major. Asa man yung major? The highest grade. Okay. Right join the student name as major E that grade student's name and major who received the highest grade. Where grade is equal to A and limit 1. So, kani kaya pinakaon na lang ang kuan na ni. So ang rutan dire is where i-join na nako siya, right join. So kung dili nako, kung kaon nako right join. So maluguan eh. So kung join lang, A lang yung mulagwa tanan. So since nag-right join ko, kuha ay marang so limit ron tagwan. Ang condition diri kay where grade is A and limit to 1 kay siya na may mo result. Student's name and major who received the highest grade. Ay, so tanan na siya. Di na ako mag-limit kay kung kinsa may nakakuan ra. Okay. Mamana na sila. Si Alice, Diana Ling, Ethan, grade UJ. Ano siya? 13. Create a complete report listing of all professors and all teaching classes assigned. The result should include the following information: all professors. So, professor, so same na siya sa 11. So, ito name, classes assigned. Ito yung classes assigned. So title, si title, si that title, and kasakit. So appeal si Dr. Kim. Ito man to. Report listing of professors and teaching classes and all teaching classes. The result should include the following information of professors and all teaching classes. Okay, so appeal lang koan sa master. Ano ba ng teaching classes? Classes, so enrollment, appeal lang enrollment of student. Enrollment and a student with the as that major the okay, so nag-left join ta. Or we can use full join. Ito itong full. So same lang result. So na-delay si Dr. Smith, database, yung title is database system. Major, computer science, and assign. So use full join. I-join na ito tanang tables. I-select na to ang P-name, ang si title, and as major. May gipangita. We've never taught yet and teaching classes even if they have assigned to professor. So 14. Show all available semester and display the total number of students enrolled. So, semester lamang ang gipangita. 14. Select. So, teaching na siya. Semester from teaching. Join. Full. Left join. Total number of students. So sa enrollment T.IE.EID total man, so is EID car, so mag-count ta total pag nga to alias as total enrollees, total students na lang. So since nag-count ta, mag-group by ta of P.semester. Let's try from teaching walang T. So, ang result na makita mo. Kita mo. Sige, akong playo ka. So, the result is fall 2024 is 4, spring 2025 is 5, spring 2026 is 0. As you can see ma'am, na pangya pa ng 0 since nag-use tag left join. 15 is tanan na siya, create ang existing professors. So select yung tag professor on na professor in 85. Upo ko deh, binugkaran ng deadline. Kuratan na kita. All professors name, all student, as that name, ito pa, all courses, see that title, pa, from Professor P, join teaching, from teaching to course, from course to enrollment. And student. So we use the full join. Okay. We have here Dr. Kim. So we use full join on tanan table atong connect from teaching to course to enrollment to students. So we have all the doctors here. The name Dr. Kim Jones is the only single names. Alice, Dr. Kim don't have a student. Dr. Jones, no student. Dr. Jones na-assign na siya sa linear algebra, but Dr. Kim is wala siya na-assign. So Dr. Kim right pandiri wala tanan. So okay, okay, mana man ko to submit your recorded. Okay, thank you ma'am. Okay, so code. So this is clearly without internet use.